Welcome to another how-to video. In today's video, our topic is all about how to automatically move emails to a folder. As you can see, I am in the All Mail tab. So all you have to do is click any email you like to filter, like mine as Roblox. While you are inside your mail, click the three dots beside Move To. After that, click Filter Messages like this. As you can see, the From section is already named. It's up to you if you want to fill up the other forms. After that, click Create Filter. While we are inside of it, check the box and click Choose Label. Click the label and name it. Mine is Roblox. After that, click Create. Check the box also to apply filter located at the bottom of the choices. It's up to you if you want to check other boxes. And that's it. That's how you automatically move emails to a folder. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.